Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the switch control in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Eclipse ADT bundle that I already opened, and here our device that already launched. So yes, in window menu and Android Virtual Device Manager, and that our AVD and select start and launch. So I take already complete this process, and now in file menu we can take new Android application, and here we can give the switch, and that is a keyword, so we can demo, so like switch case, so switch underscore demo. So yes, that is a perfect, and that is go in default workspace folder. So now I can change to a particular folder. So yes, I directly, let us check, I provide. So here that is our folder name is a Android 2021. So yes, that perfectly. And next, that is go, and next, yes, and playing activity, and then main activity, that is our Java, and activity underscore main, that is our XML based layout file. So finish, and that taking some process. Yes, now that open, and here hello demo, hello world, that I delete. And now you can look, that is a toggle button saying to state on and off, so that is a switch. So we can like some that is a taking switch on and off to span, but here you can take some error is appear. So what is a solution? So we can go in our XML file and look here, that is giving the error. So we view is require API level 14, and here current 8. So what to do? So how to solve this error? So we can go in our Android main fist file. I double click and take the XML that tab, and here that is a 8 minimum but require is 14. So I manually change 14 and save that file. So yes, you can look, our error is gone. So now I can close this file, and yes, that our requirement is complete. So what to do? So yes, first we can take as switch. Yes, switch, that is a, that ID we can remain as default, and now that is a after we can take some layout, but first we can uh, take some coding. So directly, yes, that some, that is a perfect our require control, and that is a taking, and now that complete our design, and here we can take our Java file. Yes, and that we have to take first we can change as a background color. So yes, that is a relatively layout, you can look here. So by default is a relatively layout. So what to do? So here you can look, there is no ID. So first we can provide as a ID of our layout. So Android colon ID, and then rel, that is our id, and now we can save. So let us check. So we can take first, yes, both reference, so relatively layout, yes, then r1, and that is, yes, what is this? So here I take some minimize, and then we can take, yes, switch. So that is a switch control, s is capital, and that switch is a small, so that is a our class or control. So sw1, switch 1. And now we can take first r1, find you by id. Yes, that is a method of activity class, and r dot id dot, that is our rel, relatively layout, and type casting must be, because that is a find view by id, return is a view class, that parent class. And now what to do? So sw1, yes, and then find you by id, same process, and here r dot id dot, then that switch 1. So that semicolon, yes, and type casting. So that is a perfectly. And now what to do? So here switch 1 dot set on. Yes, here set on. uh, that is a check change listener. Yes, not click listener. So first is a change listener, and here new operator and composition. So like radio button send, that is appear in a composition button dot on check change listener. And now what to do? So first we can provide a semicolon, and now I take as mouse on check change listener and import that package. Yes, so all error is gone. And now what to do? So here we can take a second argument used in our coding. So I give as a b for boolean. Yes, and now what to do? So if condition, so b, yes, and then we can set r1, our relatively layout, set background color, and color is a class. So color dot here first we can take as a like a green color, so it is a off by default. And then else r1 dot set background, so color, and then again color class dot we can take like yellow, so that is first letter that appear color. So yes, that is our apps is create simple. So let us check. So when we can press our switch, so by default is off, so off, that is a taking yellow, and on, so that is a taking green color. So let us check. First we can run our apps, right click and run as Android application. And here look to wait, some process is taking, and now that takes some time. And let us check. I think that is a yes. So here very simple logic we have to define. So first what to do? So here we can take as a switch control and then Java file, and Java file we can take relatively and then switch both reference and typecasting and set on check change listener, and use this second argument to our coding. And b, so b is a boolean, so that directly use in if condition set background color is green, in else yes, that is a yellow. So yes, that is appear, and now I can click. So you can look, that is a off, so that is a green. Now on, so that is a yellow. And now what to do? So we can print the message. So let us now next step. So in XML file, we can take some layout, and that is Android. And first we can take on and off text. So here I type on, and you can also take some message. So yes, that is a possibility. And off, so I write as an off key word. And then we can take as like text color. So we can also provide like as sign 0f0, so that is a green color. Then we can say that text size, yes, 20 dp, Android colon padding, so that is a provide like 10 dp or sp, so independent pixel and scalable independent pixel. So yes, and also we can provide that background color. So you can look here. So has sign, and then we can say that 00, but yes, that is a green color we have to already take. Text color, so yes, here I take as a green and here I take as a blue, so RGB. So yes, I save and let us check. So what is our goal? So when we can, yes, here background is a green, so on and off there are two states. So we can print some message in toast class. So let us check. So is check is property, because that is same like radio button and toggle button. So here toast class dot, that is a make test get application context, and here switch one dot get uh, text on and off. Here you can look, so that is a by default, means if condition is true, so that is a on, and then to string, yes, and that is a toss dot short messages and show. And so I copy this toast class and paste to here in else part. So you can look, and here also whenever we can two statements, so all decision and all loop you have to know, we can provide opening and closing brace. So that is, and previously only one statement, so that is optional. So now here we can take as a off. Yes, so that perfectly. So save, and let us check run. They're running. Yes. And now what to do? So let us wait some time. So that is our previously output. Now yes, gone, and now latest output is appear. So wait some few seconds. Yes, that is appear. So you can look background, that switch some, that is a, and now you can look here on, and now is off. So that is a two state. Yes, so we can, and you can also use text view to your output, but here I use as a toss class. So yes, and is check, if you take one if condition also, that is possibility. So that practice to yourself. Yes, that is also is check property. So switch is on or off, you can check. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakani, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.